It's April 20th. Riley's almost 3 3/4 weeks old. Oh, look at that smile. Hey, Munchkin. And he likes peekaboo now. Ready? Oh, peekaboo! Peekaboo! Yeah! Ready? Where's the baby gonna go? Where is he? Oh, where's the baby? Where is he? Oh! Peekaboo! Hi! Hi! Where's the baby? Oh! Boo! Hi! Can you giggle like you were before? Yeah. You want to tell a story? Can you tell a story? Really? Yeah? Are you falling over? Who's this? Is this Sophie? Mwah. Can you hold Sophie? Yeah, Sophie's your special friend, huh? Yeah. The first toy you really liked. Hold her. Hold her by the neck. There you go. Oh, almost. There you go. Good job. Now you got her. Can you chew on her? Oh, there we go. Good job. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Huh? What are you doing? How come you're not smiling? Huh? What? What? Hi. Hi. You like sitting up, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we're drooling. Drooling lots and lots. You gonna tell us another story? Really? Well, what happened? Oh, that looks like a sad one. Oh. Okay, Mom will fix you.